Hi guys, Dr. Steffan back here. We are going to be doing part 2 of our diaphragmatic breathing instructional video today, and we're going to be transitioning that into proper mechanics for doing a dead bug. The dead bug is a wonderful core exercise when done appropriately. This is going to help stimulate all of our deep core muscles, help take pressure off of our low backs, and start retraining all the muscles around our spine, especially when we have acute bouts of low back pain. Okay, so we're gonna be going way back in time until we're about 3 months old. Okay, so 3 months old is actually the first time that babies learn how to stabilize their low back. Okay, and why do we go back to this position? Because this is a motor pattern that we have stored in our brain, okay, that a lot of the times our body and our brain start losing connection essentially, and we start losing the ability to fire our core properly. Okay, so in the last video, we talked about how to really start introducing this diaphragmatic breathing back into ourselves. Okay, so we're gonna pop on our back. Okay, and now instead of just having our knees bent, we're gonna feel like we're gonna contract our core here, so almost as if somebody's gonna punch you in the gut. Okay, we're gonna tip our pelvis kind of back so that our back is nice and flat on the ground. And we're just gonna slowly elevate our knees to a 90-90 position here, okay? What we're also gonna do is we're gonna elevate our arms straight up into the air, okay? So this is, again, a 3-month supine or a 3-month position that babies learn first how to properly stabilize their low back. Okay, so we're gonna check back in on that breath. Now from this new position, you should feel like your core is activating right away. Okay, so again, we're gonna go back, hand on the belly, hand on the chest, making sure that we're getting good breath into the front of our stomach here, sides of our stomach here, and then taking our thumbs into the small of our low back, making sure that we're pressurizing into the ground as well. Okay, and then from this position, okay, like I said, again, we're gonna be kind of in this neutral position where our arms and shoulders are 90 degrees from the ground. Okay, our hips are 90 degrees from our core and our low back, and then our knees are bent at 90 degrees as well. Okay, when we start from this position, we really just want to start with one leg at a time. Okay, so we're gonna again make sure that we're pressurizing that core, so breathing in, stabilizing, and we're slowly gonna start dropping one leg down. Okay, keeping the arms and opposite leg bent properly. We just want to hover that leg above the ground for about 3 to 5 seconds. Slowly bring that back up. Okay, we want to make sure that we're avoiding tipping the low back forward, letting those legs fall towards the ground. Okay, and we want to make sure that our arms are in this nice neutral position too. Okay, so we're going to repeat that on the other side. Again, nice slow descent with a small breath in through the nose. Hold for 3 to 5 seconds. And then slowly bring it back up to that neutral position here. Okay. If you're feeling like this is too easy, okay, we're gonna add in the opposite arm with the opposite leg. Okay, so I'm gonna use my left leg and my right arm. So inhale, pressurize with the breath through the nose, slow descent. We're gonna hold for 3 to 5 seconds and come back up. Opposite side here. Breath in through the abdomen. Come on back up. Okay, so we're gonna come back up here. So again, we wanna make sure that you're doing this safely and effectively. So if you have any questions about how to properly get into this position, I'm gonna have you refer to the first video. Okay, but again, this is really the progression of proper breathing mechanics into some functional movements that are again gonna help stimulate, stabilize your core so that we can take pressure off that low back and get you healthy and moving towards your goals. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out.